Whenever I don't know what to make for dinner, I go for these recipes. Today I'm going to show you 3 quick, nutritious, and flavorful recipes that will make your routine easier and completely transform your daily meals. And look, don't forget to like this video and subscribe here on healthily, because every week I bring you simple solutions that save you time and still take care of your health. These recipes are made for anyone who's looking for practicality without giving up the pleasure of eating well. They're ideas that anyone can prepare in just a few minutes, and that might be exactly the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with the potato, ground beef, and egg frittata. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat and add 450 grams of ground beef. Fry for 2 minutes, then add 1 chopped onion, 1 large crushed garlic clove, salt, black pepper, and half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the meat is well browned. In the same pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter together with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add 3 to 4 medium potatoes cut into cubes. Fry for 12 to 14 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the beef back to the pan with the potatoes, mix well, and pour over 4 beaten eggs with chives. Cover and cook on low heat until the eggs are set, about 5 to 7 minutes. Finish with some cheese of your choice, turn off the heat, and cover until the cheese melts. In just a few minutes, you'll have a complete, nutritious, and delicious frittata. Now let's move on to the mashed potato nests with ground beef, which are juicy and easy to make. Start by cooking 1 kilogram of potatoes in water with 1 tablespoon of salt until tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain, mash, add 2 tablespoons of butter, a handful of dill, and prepare the mash. Brush your hands with olive oil so the potatoes don't stick and form small nests using a glass. Grate cheese on top of the nests and set aside. For the filling, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil and saute 450 grams of ground beef with 1 medium chopped onion, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, salt, and pepper. Add 200 grams of chopped tomatoes and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Place the filling inside the nests, add more cheese of your choice, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until the cheese melts. It's a practical, charming recipe that's perfect for any meal. To finish, let's prepare the ground beef and mashed potato casserole, a classic that's simply irresistible. Start by cooking 450 grams of russet potatoes with 1 teaspoon of salt until tender. Meanwhile, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped garlic cloves, 2 chopped tomatoes, and a sprig of rosemary, cooking for 2 minutes. Add 450 grams of ground beef and cook for another 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, add 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 cup of canned peeled tomatoes, 130 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and mix well. Cook until the sauce thickens slightly. Add 1 egg yolk and mix again. For the mash, heat 250 milliliters of heavy cream together with 220 grams of cream cheese, stirring until the cream cheese dissolves. Season with half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mash the hot potatoes and mix with the cream until smooth. In a baking dish, place the sautéed beef, cover with the mash, and top with 200 grams of shredded mozzarella. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until the cheese melts and turns golden. If you like, finish with some chopped parsley for a fresh touch. See how easy it is to prepare these 3 amazing recipes. They're practical, nutritious, and perfect for any meal, helping you save time while eating well every single day. If this video helped you, check out the material I've left here in the description. It can help you lose weight without giving up flavor, with simple and delicious recipes that will forever transform your kitchen routine and help you reach your goals faster than you can imagine. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these recipes are you going to try first? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to healthily, because here you'll always find delicious solutions that make your life in the kitchen easier.